Hello everyone. Look at the question number 33. Evaluate 2 cos 60 degree plus tan 45 degree minus root 3 cosecant 60 degree divided by root 3 secant 30 degree plus 2 cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Okay. So here 2 cos 60 degree ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ cos 60 degrees 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degree value is 1 minus root 3 into cosecant 60 degree. So reciprocal of sine alva is equal to cosecant. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin 60 degree ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ root 3 by 2. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ cosecant ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ reciprocal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 2 by root 3 ಆಗತ್ತೆ divided by root 3 into secant 30 degree. So reciprocal of cos. So cos 30 degree value ಏನು root 3 by 2. secant ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದರ reciprocal ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 2 by root 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus 2 into cos 60 degrees 1 by 2 plus cot 45 degrees 1. So is equal to 2 ones are 2 ones are. So 1 plus 1 root 3 cancel agate. So in the denominator root 3 cancels 2 ones are 2 ones are. Okay, so 1 plus 1 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 1. So this is equal to 2 minus 2 is 0 agate. So divided by 4. So this is equal to 0 by 4 is equal to 0 ಆಯ್ತು. So this is the value. Thank you.